For this week's word problem, we've got Mike buys these items and it costs him 30 pence, and you can see there's a pencil and a ruler. Olga buys these items and it costs her 42 pence, and you can see there's an extra pencil now, and a pencil and a ruler. And the question asks, how much does a ruler cost? So what we'd start to do with the children is we think about the bits of the question that we know, and we start to highlight the key information. So if we have a look at this, we can see that we've got 30 pence, and that's for the pencil and the ruler. And then we've got these three items here are costing 42 pence, and then we want to find out the cost of the ruler. So what we might do for that is use a bar model, and we can see from the bar model that we've got the ruler and the pencil, and combined together the ruler and the pencil are costing 30p. And then we can see also that when we bring this bar in here, we've got the pencil, the ruler and an extra pencil, and combined together that's costing 42p. So we can say that this bit here of the bar is the extra bit, and we know that the bar from here to here is worth 30, so this extra bit here must be the cost of the pencil. So we've got 42, and if we take away 30, we know that this bit of the bar here must be worth 12p. 42 take away 30. Now that we know that a pencil is costing 12p, we also know that this pencil here costs 12p. So if this part of our bar is worth 12p and the whole thing is worth 30p, now we can do 30p take away 12p, which is going to leave the ruler as worth 18p. So the cost of the ruler is 18p. To work out this problem here, I'm going to use a bar model once again, and let's have a look at the problem. It says Aaron has some balloons, Fiona has 12 more balloons than Aaron. In total they have 40 balloons. How many balloons has Fiona got? So if we look at the bar model here, we can say that Aaron has some balloons, but we don't know how many Aaron's got. So I'm going to draw an A in Aaron's section here, and Fiona has some balloons, but she's also got 12 more than Aaron has. And what we really want to find out, the question asks, how many balloons has Fiona got? So Fiona has this many balloons, and we don't really know how much that is yet, but we do know that in total there are 40 balloons. So this blue section here represents the 40 balloons. We're trying to find out how much is in this section. So to do that, what we would do is we would have our 40 balloons, and we're going to take away 12, which is going to leave us with 28 balloons. So we know that now this section here, A and F, are worth 28, and we're going to divide that in two, because we need to find out how much each of these sections is worth. So 28 shared between 2 is going to mean this section is worth 14 and this section is worth 14 balloons. So now when we look back at the question, how many balloons has Fiona got, we know that Fiona has 14 balloons, but she's also got 12 more balloons than Aaron. So we're going to do 14 add 12, which is going to leave us with a total of 26. So we know that Fiona has 26 balloons.